In this problem, the roots of the quadratic equation that is given as ax square plus bx plus c and px square plus qx plus r. So here I am writing the value as ax square plus bx plus c, and the roots that I am writing here, that is equal to alpha 1 and beta 1. And here if you can see, here I am writing px square plus qx plus r, and here I am writing the root as equal to alpha 2 and beta 2. Now the ratio of the roots are equal, so you will write alpha 1 by beta 1, that is equal to alpha 2 by beta 2. Now we will use the componendo and dividendo method, and you will write it as equal to alpha 1 plus beta 1 upon alpha 1 minus of beta 1. And if you can see here, you will write it as equal to alpha 2 plus beta 2, and this one can be written as alpha 2 minus of beta 2. Now we will do the squaring on both sides. We will write it as equal to alpha 1 plus beta 1 to the whole square, and this one can be written as alpha 1 minus of beta 1 to the whole square. That can also be written as alpha 2 plus beta 2 to the whole square, and in denominator you will write the value as alpha 2 minus of beta 2, that is equal to whole square. Now alpha 1 plus beta 1 can be written as equal to b square by a square. So you will write b square by a square here. And alpha 1 minus of beta 1, we will use a formula that is given as a minus b to the whole square, that can be written as a plus b to the whole square minus of 4ab. And this one, a plus b to the whole square minus of 4ab, can be written as alpha 1 plus beta 1 to the whole square minus of 4 alpha 1 into beta 1. And similarly you will get here as equal to q square by p square, and in denominator you will get the value as alpha 2 plus beta 2 to the whole square minus of 4 alpha 2 multiplied with beta 2. You will get here the value as b square by a square, and in denominator you will get the value as alpha 1 plus beta 1 can be written as b square upon a square minus of 4. Here you will write c by a, and that is equal to, you will write the value as q square by p square, that is divided with q square, or we can write it as equal to q square by p square minus of 4r by, so we can write the whole thing as equal to b square. Here you will write a square, in denominator you will write b square minus of 4ac divided with a square. And here if you can see, same thing that you are writing, that is q square by p square, and in denominator you will write the value as q square minus of 4rp, and here you will write p square. P square cancel, a square cancel. So you will get the value as b square by q square, that is equal to d1 by d2. So this is a value that you will get. Better to put the value as equal to, we don't have to do this one, we just have to put the value of alpha and beta in the some numerical value. If I'll put that one, and if you are getting the answer as the same thing, you can do the same thing here. But if you have to solve this problem, you can do this method. So this is the thing that we have to do in most of the question, and I'm solving most of the question in similar manner so that you can understand each and every topic clearly and concisely. What you can do, you can subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends so that they can also understand how to solve such kind of questions.